Hello, this is Safari Plumbing Sewer Line Inspection for 64116 Avenue in Los Angeles, California. We were able to find a clean out at the front of the house and managed to get our camera down to 41 feet and 11 inches, basically roughly around 42 feet. And we're looking at right now the section that we cannot get through. So what you see here is actually a broken clay section and a major offset. The line you can see at the top right corner, what you're looking at is a broken pipe, and past it, well, the pipe that we're currently in, it's shattered and broken at the end of it. And the next section is actually the joint to the next clay section, the next 5-foot clay section. And once we get to this point here, our camera will not pass through. So we tried different methods to try to get the camera through, but it will not. What you can see right there in the top right, that is the joint. As you can see the pipe here, it is shattered, it's broken, and there's a major offset here. So we're going to be running the camera back. What we are looking at is a 4-inch clay pipe. And you can see there's evidence of other offsets within these pipes, within the sections of the joints. So clay is put together in 5-foot sections with concrete around the joints. And what we look for at these joint sections is just for root penetration, for offsets, and for cracks as well. Some of the few things, just to name a few things. So definitely you can tell there are major offsets here, and it is by the property line. This kind of indicates that it's by the property line because we have a Y here, what is called a test Y, and they're put in place when the house is built so that they can test the line for leaks. So I'm going to keep pulling back. Right here you can see that the line is actually broken. That first line right here is a crack. This second part is the actual joint. So you will be seeing this continuously through the line on several joints. The joints are cracked. So there's example of one. There's one joint, and that's actually a good looking joint. You can see there's only one line going around, no major offset, and right afterwards is a crack. So we're looking at a big crack right there in the line. Just one joint, minor root penetration. So that first line on the bottom, it's a crack, and then you have the joint afterwards. Here we go again. It's a crack, and then the joint. A root penetration at the top right of that one. Crack, and then joint. So here it transitions from clay to cast iron. So under the house you have cast iron pipe, which is a steel pipe. It normally looks like this. You can tell the difference from the clay to the cast iron because there's rust, and that's normal for the cast iron because of oxidation and water. It will rust and look like that. We cannot tell the condition of the cast iron under the house, as we're only able to run the camera downstream. So here we're coming up to the clean out. And that concludes our sewer line inspection for 64116 6th Avenue, Los Angeles, California. Please refer to the invoice for our final findings here on this line and our recommendations. Thank you for watching.